Hi, in this video, we will discuss about the ways to refresh dataset in Power BI service. The first way is use Power Automate to trigger your dataset refresh. What are the steps that first you have to create the Power Automate flow to refresh the dataset in Power BI connector. Then add a button in your report. Then user can link or click or the button to trigger the refresh. But there is some limitation that this approach still requires the users to have a proper permission to run the flow. Second way is manual dataset refresh in Power BI service. You can manually refresh the dataset in Power BI service by going to the dataset and clicking the refresh now button. Way number 3 is direct query mode. In this, if your data source supports the direct query, the report always fetches the latest data directly from the source without needing a refresh. But there is some limitation about this method that the data source performance and the complexity of the report. Way number 4 is use bookmark for stimulating the refresh button. While this does not truly refresh the data, you can stimulate a refresh by creating a bookmark and associating it with a button. Number fifth way is hybrid solution with APIs that you have to combine the Power BI visual or button design with an API based backend process that depends upon the two steps, which are the user interface with the bottom button. It sends us signals via API or webhook to refresh the dataset programmatically. The second approach is external integration required and cannot achieve purely within the Power BI. Thank you.